Hi, I'm Lisa with SunFX. Today I'm going to show you how to put up your SunFX tan tent, how to fold it back up and put it back into its carry bag. Remove the tan tent from its packaging slowly and be careful because it may expand quickly and cause injury. Now hold your tan tent in an upright position, pulling out each side so it's completely open and ready to use. Now, if you'd like, you can attach the clear roof. Now I'm going to show you how to refold your tan tent and put it back into its carry bag. Start by folding each side to the back of the tent. Line up all the edges so it lays flat. Be sure to pull the flooring up, tucking it into the tent. Then, holding your tent in front of you, place one hand on the top, one hand on the bottom, and fold it in half. With your left hand, continue to hold your tent together. Place your right hand on the bottom side, pull it into the tent, place the top over the bottom, rolling it over onto itself. Now your SunFX tan tent is ready to be placed in its carry bag for easy transportation and storage. We hope you've enjoyed our tutorial. If you require any further information on SunFX products, please contact our worldwide sales team anytime. For Australia, sunfx.com.au, for America, sunfxamerica.com, or for Europe, sunfxeurope.com. And thanks again for choosing SunFX, the world's #1 professional spray tanning company.